getting started with the PocketStudio mobile app for Android. So we support Android 8.1 or higher, so just check your version. And you also need to have AR Core installed. To get AR Core, you can head to the Play Store and search for Google AR Core. And you'll see Google Play services for AR. So you can install that, and then you can use any apps that require AR Core. So then you can get our app. It's not available in the Play Store yet, but we're working on that. Go to PocketStudio.io and hit download. Go to mobile download. So it's downloaded, and now I want to hit open. And it will say, do you want to install this application? Yes, install. And then it's going to pop up with a warning because it hasn't come from the Play Store. So hit install anyway. App installed. Okay, so now I can open. So logging using the credentials you registered in the desktop app and hit connect. And now I can see my projects that I've created in the desktop app. And I can click on one of them. And now I can see my 3D scenes. So I can click on the first one. And it's asking me, do I want to allow PocketStudio to record video? So hit allow. And it will start to map out your environment. And so this is tracking the environment. And I can hit, with one finger, just tap to place my 3D scene. And it's going to start downloading the content to the phone. We've got a submarine here. And so I'm tracking in with two fingers to zoom in and same to zoom out. I can also use one finger to swipe left and right to rotate or orbit the camera around. And I can swipe up and down to move the whole scene up and down or track the camera up and down. And I can tap again to reposition the scene. So I'm going to place it there. Now two fingers to track in. Let me raise it up a bit. And you'll notice as I move the camera around, the scene is moving around. So it's kind of tracked very well to the desk in front of me. So now I can record some funky camera moves. So if I put going close, hit record on the left. I can do a kind of zooming out shot. And now that camera is already available in the desktop. So I can just go to the desktop version, open it up, and play that back. But the tracking isn't limited to such a small area. You could go out into a completely open space and have a much larger scene scale, which means you can really get into the scene and explore some interesting camera angles.